iOS 18 AirDrop not working on iPhone after iOS 18. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now, in order to fix this problem, it's really simple. First things first, you want to go ahead and head over to your system settings, and from here you want to open up screen time. Now inside screen time, click on content and privacy restrictions. You want to go ahead and turn this on, and you want to make sure everything in privacy is allowed. Now if one of these settings is on don't allow, for example Bluetooth sharing, you cannot go ahead and use your AirDrop. Now right after, let's go ahead and open up the AirDrop settings. You want to navigate through the AirDrop on the main settings right here. Inside AirDrops, you can just go ahead and make sure that the everyone for 10 minutes is on check. Now in that way, this will ensure that everything around you can go ahead and AirDrop something on your phone right here. Right after, if still you're having some issues, you want to go ahead and head over to the general settings right here, and once inside, you want to click on software update. Now you want to make sure that you update your software once more, because the second update will go ahead and fix unnecessary glitches and bugs that have been installed with the previous iOS versions. And so guys, right after that, you want to go ahead and restart your phone and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.